We were surprised to find out our 2025 Tucson Hybrid did not have a spare tire. With our upcoming road trip to Newfoundland and Labrador, this is not something we could accept. More on the solution a little bit later. Prepping for our journey involved getting our car cleaned, serviced to ensure the tank is ready for the adventure. Installing our cargo box gives us ample storage space to complement the trunk space that we have in the car. New cars come with the tire mobility kit, which is a magic foam and a pump. With the rugged terrain and remoteness of the trip that we will embark on, we needed to have a spare tire. So as you can see, we had no spare tire. This is our upgraded setup. So we got a spare tire from Hyundai with the rim. It's a donut tire, so it's a bit smaller than the tire we have, but it should bail us out. Road assistance package. We have the jack. We have a tire plug kit. So basically, if you get a puncture, you're able to take out the nail and kind of fix the tire yourself. Google this because this is very practical where we'll be. It could bail us out and avoid us getting roadside assistance. And as a backup, we will have the tire mobility kit already provided. One additional element we decided to pack is when we do the Labrador coast, there's going to be a lot of dirt roads. So in case we do need to use the jack, you want to get a piece of plywood. So like this, basically, you put your jack on the plywood and the jack doesn't sink into the dirt in case you have to hoist your car up. Hopefully we do not need to use any of this, but better to be prepared.